I'm Martha and I'm the Activities Officer at Sheffield Students' Union. There's loads of amazing activities and opportunities that students can get involved with during their time at university. We have over 360 different societies here at Sheffield, so let's go and see what they're all up to at the moment.
So we put on 8 plays a year. It's a really, really fun society to be a part of. People I've met through doing SUTCO have just become some of my nearest and dearest friends.
Basically just a group of guys and girls, basically anyone who loves skating. Fall down a lot, it's all very new for me, but getting coaching from the Vice President Henrik and some other guys as well, it's really, really nice to know what I'm doing wrong and how to fix it.
DJ Sock is a DJ society. We get people who have never touched the decks before, so we aim to provide that space for beginners to learn and also for people to come refine their skills and can have fun with it really.
It's a really collaborative space to explore ideas and everybody shares, and it's just really friendly. It's just a laugh every week, which is really nice.
I'm a part of the Bummit Society, which runs the world's largest student-led charity hitchhike. A group of students come together and we all hitchhike to this place whilst raising money for charity. It's helped me see more of the world as well. Our trips to Europe, you see places that you probably wouldn't conventionally visit, and I think that's quite incredible.
We do a load of craft events, which this year include prosthetics, but we do loads of stuff outside of just watching scary films.
So it's been amazing because I never thought to make any of these things on my own. The vegan brownies that we made, the moment they came out of the oven, I was like, oh, I made that. I was like, oh yeah, that feeling was quite unique.
I came to one of the sessions and I was instantly hooked. To anyone really who's thinking about drag sock or any society, just go because you might find the thing which sort of gives you the most happiness.
So if we start at page 10.
It says we've got to hold on to what we've got. It doesn't make a difference if we make it or not.
We basically take songs that you all know and love and we recreate it with only our voices. I think music's a really nice de-stressor, so if you need an escape from your 9 to 5s, a cappella is the thing for you.
Irish dancing is fast-paced, very energetic, made lots of new friends. I really feel like I'm part of something as well, which is really important.
Forge is Sheffield SU's student media. It's like working for Sky Sports if it's varsity, or it's like working for, I guess, the BBC for election debates. It's kind of made me consider that as a potential career option.
I was kind of just wanting to find something to do, and then I saw that Pet Society existed and they had dog walking, and I missed my dog at home, so I was like, why not do something good?
So that's just a snippet of the amazing activities that we have on offer here, and there's a society for almost anything you can think of. To find out more about all our societies, click the link in the description below.